Welcome to Heaven My Cake's first ever tutorial. I'm Lenora and I'm going to show you how to make American buttercream. This buttercream is quick, easy, and truly fail-proof. Place your unsalted butter in the mixture and beat it on low to medium speed to get the butter broken up a bit. Add the vanilla and salt. Next, add about half of the powdered sugar and let the powdered sugar combine with the butter. Mix on low speed at first so you don't get dusted with the powdered sugar, then to medium speed until the butter and the powdered sugar are combined. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And the rest of the powdered sugar. I like this buttercream because I can control the consistency and it takes flavor and color well. This is the perfect buttercream for a beginner cake decorator or someone who just wants to make it for fun. Mix on low speed to combine and then to medium-high speed for about 15 seconds. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure everything is getting properly mixed. Next, you're going to mix on medium-high speed for about 2 minutes. You will notice the buttercream to start to look whiter and fluffier the longer it's mixing. After a couple minutes, scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl. Check the consistency of the buttercream. If it looks stiff or grainy, add another tablespoon of whipping cream. If it looks wet or not stiff enough, add a tablespoon at a time of powdered sugar. Your buttercream should be stiff enough that it keeps its shape and soft enough to smooth on a cake. Once you are ready to use the buttercream, stir the buttercream with a spatula to get any air bubbles out. This ensures a smooth buttercream. Place a paper towel over the buttercream until you're ready to use it to keep it from crusting. You can keep buttercream in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week or in the freezer for up to 2 months. Before using, let the buttercream thaw completely. Place in the mixer to be whipped again so it's smooth, creamy, and ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of Heaven My Cake, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thank you so much and take care.